Hi there, this is Michelle here. I'm going to sit down and talk with you today about a product that we just bought. It's the Kobalt 40 volt electric lawnmower. We bought it to do our front yard and our backyard because we've been without a lawnmower for about, a regular lawnmower anyway, for about 6 months now. We've just been using the reel mower this spring. Now that we're getting into the summer season, we really need a regular lawnmower because there's more to cut. Maxie, come. And so we're going to be unboxing this product, and I'm going to be showing you updates throughout the season of how we like it, how it cuts, how quiet it is, what the charge hold actually is, because it is a 40 volt. They claim that it's going to last about 40 minutes and be able to cut about 1/4 of an acre. I think our lot is just over 1/3 of an acre, and we usually do the front yard one day and then the backyard the next. So hopefully it'll last at least long enough to do each side of the yard 2 separate times. So as we go through the season, like I said, I'm going to update you guys on this, and let's start with the unboxing. Hi! You want to be on my video? My sister just put on a mask. So when you first open up the packaging, there's a whole lot of cardboard, and the mower bag is attached already, and the battery looks to be bubble wrapped. If you can see, it's pretty well wrapped to protect the battery. And like I said, this is the 40 volt, so it won't have as much of a charge as the 60 or the 80 volt, but for an average sized yard, it should do the job. So here is the charging port with the electrical attachment. It's a 40 volt, and then on the back it's just warning stuff, things that you should keep in mind before using this product. We're going to set this here. The handles are pretty well zip tied to the base so that nothing moves around during transit and damages anything. So I think I might need help to pull this out safely and not damage anything. So this is the final product. It's basically, it's set up, and we were able to cut a little patch of grass just to show you basically what it does. And I think it's on the shortest setting, or the second to shortest setting right now, and it cuts pretty good. It only had maybe about a minute of charge, maybe not even a minute of charge. So like I said, we did a small patch just to check to make sure that it worked right, and now the battery's charging over there in my garage. But I'll show you sort of what it looks like versus how tall my grass is, because it's pretty tall back here right now because of the fact that we just have the real mower and then we just bought this. So I'm not sure if you can tell. You can tell a little bit back there. My grass is pretty patchy because I've got a big Rottweiler that likes to scratch like a cat. But I'll sort of zoom in over here. You can see a pretty clear difference in the side that was cut and then the side that's not cut yet. And we've got a pretty good sized yard. Like I said, it's about 1/3 of an acre between the front yard and the backyard, so it's a pretty good sized yard. And then my sister's leaf pile, because we do mulching with it, or not mulching, but use it for compost. And she's just got a whole bunch extra because we've got a big oak tree in the back. And then this is the front yard. So like I said, I'm gonna come back after this is all cut and show you the final result. So this is the yard after it's been cut. It's fairly short. We changed the ride height to the second to last because I realized that my sister actually realized that the machine was actually overheating and shutting itself off within the first couple sections over here. And so we changed the ride height to a little bit higher because it was pretty tall back here. And there's a few scragglers that I didn't get, but that's my own fault for not really being that good at cutting grass. But yeah, it did a pretty good job.